Hello students, good morning. Okay, it is your geography period, chapter 4, climate, and your topic is monsoon as a unifying bond. Students, we have studied about the different season of India like summer season, advancing monsoon, rainy season. Advancing monsoon means rainy season. Third, retreating monsoon means withdrawing of monsoon. And the last, winter season. Today we shall study about how monsoon considered as unifying bond. Because all the activity of flora and fauna means animals and plant lives, animals and plant life, as well as agriculture, all these depend on monsoon. The unifying bond is in reference to the bond with the monsoon winds. The unifying bond is in the reference to the bond with the monsoon winds that bind the entire country since they provide the much needed water for agriculture activities in the country. The entire country is dependent on the monsoon and rainfall for their agriculture activities in the country. The entire country is dependent on the monsoon and rainfall for their agricultural activities in the country. In this way, we say that monsoon is unifying bond. Monsoon is considered as unifying bond as following. There is great diversity of climatic condition due to location and relief feature. Students, as you know that there is great diversity of climatic condition due to the location and physical features means relief features. Himalayas protect us from the cold wind of the north. India therefore has uniformly higher temperature when compared to other areas on the same latitude. Students, if we consider the areas of the same latitude, suppose that Tropic of Cancer. In compare our country's temperature is higher because Himalaya protect us from the cold wind of north. The Deccan Plateau is surrounded by seas on three sides and therefore has a moderating influence on the climate of the place. Students, you know that the wind come from seas, moderate the moderate the climate of coastal areas. Because Deccan Plateau is surrounded by seas on three sides. Th- that is why the winds which come from seas moderate the climate of peninsular area or climate of coastal area. The wind system and other weather related phenomenon cause a regular cycle of season. जो विंड सिस्टम होता है या अन्य वेदर कंडीशंस होते हैं, इसके द्वारा क्या होता है, हमारा एक सीजन का साइकिल चलता है, एक सर्किल, एक चक्र चलता है। जैसे कि आपने देखा, ड्यू टू द revolution of our earth around the sun changes the season through the year, like summer season, rainy season means advancing monsoon, retreating monsoon means withdrawing of monsoon, and winter season. In this way, the wind system and weather related phenomenon create a regular cycle of seasons. The Indian landscape means relief feature. Landscape means relief feature. The Indian and landscape, its animal and plant life, its agriculture calendar, and life of the people, including their festivals, मीन्स लाइक जैसे हम कहते हैं फेस्टिवल्स का जो एक चक्र होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, फेस्टिविटीज़। फेस्टिविटीज़ रिवॉल्व अराउंड द मानसून। हमारे मानसून के ऊपर ही डिपेंड है हमारा प्लांट लाइफ, एनिमल लाइफ, एग्रीकल्चर और हमारे जो डिफरेंट काइंड के फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, इसी के आसपास, मतलब मानसून के आसपास ही सब घूमते रहते हैं, इसी पर डिपेंड करते हैं। द पीपल वेलकम द मानसून ऑल ओवर द कंट्री आफ्टर ए ड्राई एंड हॉट स्पेल ऑफ समर। स्टूडेंट्स, you know that the very hot low of summer season, and we the people want to get rid of summer season, wet rain yearly। स्टूडेंट्स, समर सीजन में जो लू के थपेड़े हमारे ऊपर पड़ते हैं, गर्मी होती है इतना अधिक और बेचैनी छाई रहती है, तो इससे दूर होने के लिए, जिससे यह गर्मी समाप्त हो जाए, बारिश का हम लोग इंतज़ार करते हैं। आवर फेस्टिवल्स, हाउसेस, फूड हैबिट्स, क्लोथिंग, sowing of different crops depend on the monsoon. The farmers await the arrival of monsoon। हमारे जो फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं, घरों की डिज़ाइन जो होती है या उसकी छतें जो होती हैं, फूड हैबिट्स, क्लोथिंग और फसलों का बोना, फसलों की तैयारी करना, कौन फसल कब बोई जाए, यह सब डिपेंड करता है हमारे मानसून पर। इन दिस वे फार्मर्स अवेट द अराइवल ऑफ मानसून। स्टूडेंट्स, आई वांट, अच्छा चला। Students, I want to tell you about the distribution of rainfall. First, the western coast and northeastern states get about 400 centimeter of rainfall. The western coast and northeastern states get about 400 centimeter of rainfall. Second, it is less than 60 centimeter in western Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. In western Rajasthan, Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab, the rainfall is below 60 degree. Third, Deccan Plateau receives little rainfall because it is in the rain shadow area, means leeward side area, not in the direction of monsoon wind. Students, Deccan Plateau lies in rain shadow area, that is why there is little rainfall, means Deccan Plateau receives little rainfall due to the rain shadow area. Leh in Jammu and Kashmir receives very little rainfall. Leh in Jammu and Kashmir, northernmost part of India. Leh in Jammu and Kashmir. Leh in Jammu and Kashmir receives very little rainfall. Himalayas gets heavy snowfall in winter season. Students, you know that western disturbances responsible for heavy snowfall widespread in western Himalaya. The areas of high rainfall lend to get flooded, while areas of low rainfall are drought prone. जिस एरिया में अधिक बारिश होती है वहाँ पर बाढ़ आ जाती है, और जिस एरिया में न के बराबर या बहुत कम बारिश होती है उसको हम सूखाग्रस्त क्षेत्र कहते हैं, ड्राट प्रोन एरिया. Okay students, your class is over.